più dry farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei panacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non più drai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando.
So my friend Mary's here, and I just finished making the creamy spinach mushroom pasta, and so she's gonna be my taste tester.
Not excited at all. No.
Bon appetit!
All snaps. Alright, let's see. Gotta get a mushroom in this and a bow tie. So we can get all the flavors in one fell swoop. Come on. Alright, I see. This is a sloppy. I can do this. Ta-da! Definitely pesto. I love pesto. And I like that bleh. It's not bacon, prosciutto. I like the prosciutto is nicely, just nice, small pieces, minced, diced. One of those words. Because it gives a nice bit of saltiness too. Just the bite. Mushrooms, you can't go wrong with mushrooms. But, very creamy. This is really good.
Thank you. I hope you folks will try this dish. It's a favorite of ours, and it only takes a little bit longer than it takes to boil your water and cook your pasta. So it's a winner in my book. It's a perfect weeknight meal. So until next time when we see you here in my kitchen, ciao! Bye!
Notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro.